the ultimate flatness. To the side. To the side. To the side. Okay, so the time has come that I install my braided wig. Baby, I was dreaming about this wig. Look at this lace. Lace throughout the entire wig. I know I said it before, but baby, I had to say it again. Whew, yes, vacation me. Rapunzel, Rapunzel, let down your hair. Because this is a full lace unit, I will go ahead and cut my lace from the back area first. Alright, the lace has been cut from the back, and now all you see is the baby hair in the back. Perfect, just in case you want to pull it up. And I left my lace in the front until after I glue it down. And see here we have the elastic band, and I'm just going to tighten this a bit. Okay, then also you have like these squiggly grooves to help keep the wig in place as well. And I like to take this comb and put it right underneath that band. So there, it's not going anywhere. Is it giving scalp? Is it giving scalp? Ooh-wee! Oh, wow, they're so neat. It's so neat. It's so neat and so flat. I cut a little bit of this lace though. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Let's get these out of the way. Okay, so the wig is large. So if you have a big head, you do not have to worry about this wig not fitting you because it's pretty large. See how it covers my ears on both sides? So what I'm going to do is go ahead and put it behind my ear so I'll know like where to glue it. Okay, let's push this baby hair back as much as I can. Okay. I'm just adding the glue in front of my wig cap. And for my side tabs, I'm going to actually add the glue on the wig cap. That's where the extra hole needs to be. Okay, let's pull this down. Okay, now let's cut the lace. So I'm holding this loose lace as I chip and cut at the hairline. I'm adding a little bit more glue right here, only where the lace is, like just trying my best not to get it where the lace is not, because if so, it's going to be sticky, just nasty. Yes, it's not sticky. Alright, we put that baby hair back there. Cause I'm trying to see something. Oh my goodness. Oh my God. And look at this side. Baby hair me, please. Cause some of the glue is white, so I'm gonna add some makeup. Okay, I'm going to go through my part as well. I did this, man. Look at this scalp. Yes, scalp. Okay, next step. Take some of my holding spray and I'm going to spray in between my parts just for that extra hold. And I'm also spray a little bit on my hairline. And for my hairline, I'm just going to use my finger and dab it on there. Because this holding spray, you got to put it exactly where you need it. I'm avoiding my baby hair at all costs right now. And then spray the part. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to melt this for a bit. Put my melt band right here. You see it. Time out. Okay, so I'm gonna take my razor comb and just make them shorter. Okay, that looks so much better already. I'm gonna use some setting lotion. And right here, I'll just add holding spray. That middle baby hair, I'm gonna put that into a braid. Alright, I'm satisfied with that. She looking good. I've been working on putting in overtime. It look even better down. Oh! Oh my. I have had braided wigs before, but nothing tops this one. Oh, like it's so flat. The braids are so lightweight, like so flexy and bendable and not stiff at all. It's the flatness for me. It's so flat. And then like the little baby hairs coming out from the side. Oh, you can't tell me nothing. The braids come to the crack of my oh, the ultimate flatness. To the side. To the side. To the side. Okay, I gotta go because I'm gonna stare a hole in my head. I have a gender reveal to go to tomorrow. They're gonna be staring at me. Yeah,